Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick show you something that's kind of neat actually. This is an indicator. This is how you know that you have a carpenter ant problem. If you see something like this, and first I want to show you what exactly they do. In this post here, they're making their way inside this post through this knot, and they're burrowing into this post and tunneling into this post. Now they're not eating the wood. A lot of people think they eat wood. They don't. They're actually just burrowing and tunneling to make a home, to make a nest. That's where they make their home inside wood like this. So you can see that they're coming in and out, and they're coming out to the edge, and they're just dropping little pieces of wood. And so what you can look for, or what you need to keep an eye out for, is little piles of what looks like sawdust. It's like finely shredded wood or sawdust is an indication that you've got a carpenter ant problem. And so it can be inside, it can be outside of your home, anywhere where there's wood, they'll do this. So keep an eye out for it. How do you deal with carpenter ants? It's pretty simple. Um, just like any pest or any ant, they're after food, shelter, and water, and you need to try to eliminate those things. Well, shelter you can't eliminate because you can't eliminate all the wood from around your home, but food and water you can to an extent. Any standing water, inside or out, just like any other ant. Any standing water, any food that's left out, just you need to clean up after yourself, wash your dishes, don't let them sit there. All that stuff is an attraction for ants and other pests, and it's an attraction for carpenter ants as well. So doing that is your first step, and then a treatment is the only other thing. Just doing a pest control treatment yourself, or having a company do it. Do the exterior of your home to keep them from coming in, and then just keep an eye out on the exterior, on your decks or posts like this, or benches, anything that's wooden. If you see any of that stuff, you can do an application on it and kill off any carpenter ants that come up. So just something to look out for. It's kind of interesting. If you see any little piles of sawdust around your home, don't ignore them, because that very well could be carpenter ants doing something somewhere on your house. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.